है, कलीना एयरपोर्ट भेजो किसको सलमान के लिए? अभी नहीं हुआ, आयुष हुआ, सलमान नहीं हुआ। सलमान रात में आते हुए वो
हाँ तो बस ना अभी आज वापस जा रहा
जा रहा है।
है, रोज जा रहा है अभी वो। अभी दबंग टू भी आ रहा है उसका 30 तारीख, कभी है वो? 9 तारीख को है। सोनाक्षी, प्रभुदेवा।
किधर पे? हैदराबाद में ही है।
नहीं नहीं, आउट ऑफ इंडिया, दुबई में जाएगा।
क्या हुआ हमको?
आती है सब आती है।
समोर समोर सामने सामने यार सामने।
चलो अंदर।
I'll take any lane. Put you my girl, I'll give anything. Look what you done. I'm a motherfucking star boy. Look what you done. Let a nigga practice, bitch, another fall, took the year like a bandit. Bought mama a crib and a brand new wagon. Now she hit the grocery shop looking lavish. Snapchat roof in the Wraith the Con. Girls get loose when they hear the song. 100 on the dash, get me close to God. We don't pray for love, we just pray for cause. House so empty, need a centerpiece. Switch on my clothes, I get anything. Look what you got. I'm a motherfucking star boy. Look what you done. Star boy. Look what you done. I'm a motherfucking star boy.
Shazia, Shlok, you can come up as well. And विनोद सर आप भी आ जाइए, या थोड़ी तालियां बजा दो यार, कम ऑन.
Hi everyone. I hope you all like the song.
All right, so Dhwani, हमने गाना देखा, and obviously the chemistry is amazing. You guys look amazing on stage, on the screen, and आपका screen presence बहुत कमाल का है. सबसे पहले Dhwani, I would like to ask you, what has been the journey for Mera Yaar? What do you feel about the song, and what are your thoughts?
Mera Yaar, I think, is a very, very special song. Also, it's, as I was writing it, like, I had the beat on, and then I started to think about this one crush that I had on a boy, my dad. And then I wrote about it, and it was like, डूब गई मैं तुझ में, आके तेरी बातों में दिल मेरा माने ना पिया. I see you looking at me, छोड़ दे बहाने देना, आजा बन जा मेरा यार. Because when you say आजा बन जा मेरा यार, it's I think the most decent thing you can tell a person if you like them, you know, to start it off.
Keeping it
Coming
simple.
from a girl, definitely. Aja
Aaja
banja
mera
mera
yaar.
yaar should be the only thing that a girl needs to say to a guy.
Yeah.
Amazing, amazing. And Aditya, tell me your experience shooting the music video. यार आप लोग ने पानी के अंदर shoot किया है. I'm sure it must be very very challenging for you all. मतलब the choreographers are already laughing and they have something to share.
Because they know what all
we
we
went
went through. So basically, I'll tell you the entire thing. So Vinod sir had first approached me. Our association is a very long one, and sir का phone आया था कि गाना कर रहे हैं, and you know Dhwani. I said, sir आपकी बेटी ना? बोला हाँ हाँ बेटी ठीक है मेरी, but she's a singer. I said, of course I know who you're talking about, sir. So there's a song and Piyush and Shazia are doing it. I said, of course I know them also very very well. So they came home, हमने गाना वाना सुना. Instantly I said, yes, let's do it. Then he shared the concept and I was blown. I said, yeah, this is something very unique. We haven't seen something like this before. And I just didn't realize that it would be, especially the water sequence, would be as challenging as it was. Yeah. Okay, there were no doors to it. It couldn't open. The only way you could get in was there were partly by betho. There were 3-4 guys who would be pulling you up and lowering you into the water.
Yeah.
And I'm scared of heights, so वो थोड़ा problem था. And then the water kept going higher and higher and higher. And then there were some other challenges.
This guy was shivering inside the water.
Yeah.
He said,
I can't take the
I
cold.
can't sing anymore.
Yeah. Sir, वो secret है, वो बोलना नहीं होता है sir.
But you can see it.
No, but I must tell you that there is a scene in that shot where you are going so seamlessly under the water without any struggle or anything of that sort.
Yeah, after 5-6 hours of being inside the water continuously, ये आदत पड़ जाती है आपको. You become Aquaman by the end of it.
Okay, I think I need to ask the choreographer and directors, Piyush and Shazia, tell us about the experience shooting this crazy music video.
I mean, when we heard the scratch what Dhwani came up with the first time in our studio,
Yeah, it had nothing. Like
it had nothing
yeah,
that
just
time.
had the
But
beat.
it got us so excited that Shazia and I, we were like, dude, this song will be done by us only. You have to give it to us. Because it's a very young vibe. It's a very, edgy song. And, it's same time, it's very groovy. So there was something that we were totally connected with. So we wanted to do that. And then when the concept came in, so we shared it with Vinod sir and Dhwani and Aditya as well. And then, I mean, it was very difficult.
It was expensive,
yeah.
but it was okay.
Yes. It was very. This is very difficult. Very difficult. Yes. Very difficult creatives because the technicalities was you don't know about it how it's gonna react because there was this cube and the thick glass and water is going to fill up. The mirror can break also, so it's very risky. So we had to.
Mirror can break, clothes can leave color into the water. All of that happened for us.
That is just me.
Rest
not my fault.
Shaza will tell you.
So firstly, Piyush has said much of it, but most of it actually. But we were so pumped when we heard the track. Firstly, directors को मजा तब आता है जब गाना इतना solid होता है. So Dhwani, superb, Shlok.
Yeah, it wouldn't have been
Abhijit,
possible without
everybody.
Shlok and Abhijit.
Yeah, and then once we got in Aditya and Dhwani, they were starring in the video. हमें sure था ये सारी चीजें जो आप देख रहे हो is only because of these actors. हम तो मतलब उनको सिर्फ ला के दे सकते हैं चीजें. At the end, these are the guys who are there up there. So go like just clap for them, yeah guys. Clap for them. Yeah.
उनको पानी में डुबा दिया आपने, डूबने के लिए छोड़ दिया.
As it is, the lines are.
डूब गई मैं तुझ में आके तेरी बाहों में.
Yeah, so उनको डुबा ही दिया
आके
हमने.
तेरी बातों में आप कैसे भूल सकते हो? Yeah, but this song wouldn't have been what it is without Abhijit and Shlok. I think we were at it. I think for whole 2 days in that room at Abhijit's house, figuring out the words and the whole structure, and I think it was God sent. It just started flowing, and I think this is the best partnership, and I want to do more songs with them because it's so easy to work with them, and they come out with the best ideas to, you know, and make me look good.
Amazing, amazing. So why don't Shlok, you take the mic, if you can. Yes, thank you. So Shlok, आप इसके पहले भी ध्वनि के साथ काम कर चुके हैं, and how is the नहीं? This is the first time you guys are collaborating, right? So how is it working with her? Like songwriting पे बैठना, structure बनाना गाने का, जैसे ध्वनि कह रही थी कि how is the process?
I worked with Abhijit before, and he got me on board for the song. And the best thing that can happen to a lyricist is if the person who's or the singer who's coming to sing has an idea in her head and she had already penned it down. So for me, it was like mostly fill in the blanks. So and we had a lot of like to's and fro's, and we would say like this is working, this is not working. So it was a really good session. Like both the sessions when
Were really smooth.
three of us were like just going on
We would
doing
come
it
out of
quickly.
you know, it like really happy because we had progressed in the song.
Yeah.
And both the days we had completed the song. I think the scratch I made you here, and then the next day we had the final version.
It was in a hurry.
Yeah.
अभी करना है.
No, but the good part is that whenever songs come to a lyricist, it's always at the last moment, it's always in a hurry. But to see it getting turned around so quickly, that is when you feel कि हाँ चलो ठीक है, that rush was worth it.
Absolutely.
And it has come out really well, really well. Congratulations, everyone.
Thank you.
Amazing, amazing. I would like to talk to Mr. Vinod as well. Sir, आप जब भी कोई गाना इनका निकालते हैं तो बहुत ज़बरदस्त होता है. मतलब ऐसा लगता है कि हम एक छोटी फिल्म देख रहे हैं. It's as big as a film song. आपके दिमाग में क्या होता है that you know जब मैं कोई गाना रिलीज करूँगा, this is what reaction you want from the audience. What is your thought process as a producer, as a presenter?
एक्चुअली इसके ऊपर है ना, दो लोग काम करते हैं, एक बाप है और एक मार्केटिंग वाला आदमी है. एंड तो होता ये कि whenever she thinks, you know, ये डैडी गान, so there are so many songs I have just said, you know, ध्वनि ये मत कर, because that time I think that अगर ये गाना रिलीज होगा और अगर अच्छा नहीं लगेगा लोगों को तो उस पर मेहनत नहीं करनी चाहिए. पर जब उसने मेरा यार लिखा था खुद लिरिक्स, and he said that I have composed also, I said this is a very big responsibility also, that you know जो normally pop stars करते हैं, यहाँ नहीं करते लेकिन यहाँ कम करते हैं probably, आउटसाइड नहीं, मतलब मैं इसको बोलता हूँ तुझे दुआ लिपा बनना है इंडिया का. सो आई सेड, यू नो, तुझे वो करना पड़ेगा जो एक बेंचमार्क भी सेट करना चाहिए. सारे लोग यहाँ मेहनत करते हैं, ऐसी बात नहीं, बट उस एज पे ये करना. शी वाज व्हेन शी रोट हर फर्स्ट सॉन्ग शी वाज 16 इयर्स. अभी तक वो गाना रिलीज नहीं हुआ है, वो 2023 में होगा.
Fantastic. चलो अच्छा है. एक announcement already कर दी सर ने यहाँ पे.
So and that entire team also, it's, as I said, it's not only me and but the entire team who is, you know, fond of Dhwani. And जब पीयूष आज़े आए थे तो उन्होंने जब ये मेरे को सॉन्ग का कॉन्सेप्ट बताया, मैं तो मेरा पहले इनका क्वेश्चन था कि ये टैंक तो बना रहे हो, वेयर इज द सिक्योरिटी, मतलब अंदर कुछ हो गया तो इन दोनों को. आई थिंक 5 दिन तो हम लोगों ने वो टैंक बनाने में स्टफन ग्लासेस वगैरह जो करने थे वो सब कर रहे हैं. ऑल दिस, सो दैट्स द रीजन, यू नो, तो अभी वो दिख रहा है. सो व्हेन एक्चुअली आर्टिस्ट, जैसे आदित्य को मैंने फ़ोन किया था, आई वाज इन खंडाला समवेयर, सडनली दैट कॉल वेंट टू हिम. आई सेड, या बॉस देखिए ये है, तू अगर जानता है तो करना. उसने नहीं, मैं फ़ोन करता हूँ, तो अगर ध्वनि एंड देन ही सेड, एंड ही वाज गुड एनफ दैट ही सेड, नहीं सर, अब मेरे को मालूम है ध्वनि कौन है और आप भेज दीजिए. बट ही वाज ट्रू टू हिम. एंड आज ये, आई मीन दिस आर द यंग गाइज, यू नो, आप लोग के थॉट्स होते हैं, and when it comes onto screen अभी दिख रहा है. So I think, yeah.
Also, what would you like to say about Dhwani's success? Because अब जो गाने ध्वनि रिलीज कर रही है वो अपने खुद के YouTube चैनल पे कर रही है, और अपने गाने इंडिपेंडेंटली रिलीज करना और उसको इतनी पॉपुलैरिटी मिलना एक बहुत बड़ी बात है किसी भी आर्टिस्ट के लिए हमारे देश में.
एक्चुअली क्या हो रहा है कि अगर आप लोगों में से किसी को गाना सुनना है या देखना है तो आप क्या करते हो, आप गूगल पे जाते हो या यूट्यूब पे जाकर सर्च करते हो, तो गाना या नाम लिखते हो आर्टिस्ट का या गाने का नाम लिखते हो. यू डोंट राइट अ फला लेबल और समबडी. तो ध्वनि के चैनल पे हम लोग ने जब गाना डाला था तो 2.3 मिलियन थे, अभी वो 2.7 मिलियन सब्सक्राइबर बेस हुआ है. बट उस बेस पे 54 मिलियन, आई थिंक 55 मिलियन हो गया होगा अभी व्यूज मेहंदी का. दैट्स व्हाट गिव अस आल्सो कॉन्फिडेंस कि वो पहला हम डरे हुए थे कि यार ध्वनि पहला सीधा 2 मिलियन मतलब कैसे करेंगे. बट आई थिंक अब ये गाने पे वी आर कॉन्फिडेंट दैट यू नो जो लोग सारे अल्गोरिदम्स वो हमारे पास में डेटा आता है और उसको एनालिसिस करते हैं कि किस तरह से लोगों के कंज्यूमिंग हैबिट्स होते हैं, तो हमको करना क्या चाहिए, प्लेसमेंट होनी चाहिए, रीच होनी चाहिए, रेस्ट अगर आपके पास में गाना और वीडियो अच्छा है, जो मेरे हिसाब से अच्छा है, तो काम हो जाएगा.
Fantastic. Thank you very much for being on stage, guys. Dhwani, would you like to take some questions from the media, if that's okay?
For sure, sir.